Hello. I had a 2012 Dodge Durango 3.6 liter. I forgot to make a video of this, but I was thinking about to share this problem with you. The customer brought a car over here. It's making clunk noise while he drive it. Even you accelerate or now, it's making clunk noise. So I raised up the car. And by the way, it's 3.6 liter engine, and I found this the drive shaft mount is cut around, is already gone, and it's wiggling. So when I take it apart, I also found that this part goes to the transmission, the back of the transmission. So I found this nut was losing and this part is out. I think this is the pinion, so was wiggling also behind the transmission. So basically this is the transmission. Yeah, you can see this part right here is wiggle. So I found the nut inside was losing all the way. So I tied that, I replaced the shaft, the drive shaft. And this is the part right here. I just got it today online. Is it cheaper? Part number is not here. Let me show you which one I got. Drive shafts. Okay, this is the one. Let me turn the light off. This is the used one. This is the new one, but the one I got is cheaper than I will. Yeah, it's close to this price, but this is not the same part. You're gonna look to the end of the drive shaft. It's gonna be look the same. It's gonna ask like 230 millimeter, and the other might be 225. So this is the one I got, but I will post the part number and the price below the video. So if your car is wiggling, making clunky noise, this is the first thing you're gonna check before you check the hub bearing or something like that. Just sharing this for someone have the same noise. Sorry, I forgot to make a video when the car was here. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.